The innermost geologic layer of the Earth is called the Earth's core. There is 760 miles wide ball of molten iron, and it is hotter than the surface of the Sun. The hot core at the center of the Earth is the main thing keeping the planet and everything on it alive. And indeed, it is cooling down, but it will take billions of years to completely cool it down. What if one day it cooled down very quickly? You are on deep bright zone, and here's what would happen if the Earth's core cooled down. One day when the core has completely cooled and become solid, it will have a huge impact on the whole planet. The hot and semi-solid iron at the Earth's core is spinning at a rate much higher than the rest of the planet, called the super-rotation. The inner core rotates in eastward direction, while the outer core rotates in the westward direction. It is this outer and inner core's rotation that generates the Earth's magnetic field. Without a molten core, we would have no magnetic field. Without magnetic field, ionized particles from the Sun will strip away our atmosphere and bathe the surface of our planet in deadly radiations. When that happens, compasses will stop pointing north. Birds like pigeons will not know where to fly when they migrate. And the Earth's atmosphere will disappear. This will make life on Earth very difficult for human beings and other life forms. The heat escaping from the core also makes material move around in different layers of our planet, from the rocky mantle to rigid plates on the surface, where you and I live. This movement can cause the plates on the surface to rub together, which creates earthquake and volcanic eruptions. That's why living in places where the two plates meet, such as Nepal or Japan, can be very dangerous. After all this, Earth might be a bit like Mars. Plate tectonics would cease. No more earthquake, no volcanic eruptions as the core cooled down. You might think that this would be good for people, especially those living in places like Japan or Nepal. But volcanic eruptions also produce fertile soil for farming and gases that make up the air that we breathe. As it cooled, the solid inner core formed, and it's been growing in size ever since. But this process is very slow. The inner core only grows about 1 millimeter a year, because the Earth has rocky mantle in between its hot core and its cold surface, which stops it from cooling down too quickly, just like your coat keeps you warm in winter. But that won't be a problem for several billions of years. But for now, you don't have to worry about the Earth's core losing all its heat and becoming solid, because the mantle is wrapped around the core, keeping it nice and warm. So guys, what are the other things that would happen if the Earth's core cooled down? Tell us in the comment section below the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel if you haven't already, and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos.